Hello guys! Hestia here again for another simple recipe. The pan-grilled pork steak or inihaw na baboy. Before we proceed, here's a very short information about grilling. Okay, simulan na natin. For the ingredients, we need the following. 1 piece pork steak, an inch thick or 0.75 pound. Spices of your choice like black pepper or dried oregano. We're not using salt in this recipe because the pork already absorbed enough during the brining process, but you may add additional salt depending on your taste or if you're cooking an unbrined meat. Okay, so let's start cooking. Let's preheat the grill pan. For the pork, let's pat it dry with kitchen paper towels to remove excess liquid. Sprinkle the spices of your choice. In this recipe, I'm using ground black pepper and oregano. And don't forget to season the other side as well. Let's start grilling. Okay, so each side needs 7 to 8 minutes to cook. So later, after 7 minutes, check on the side facing down first. Check on its doneness before you flip it over. At this point, we're almost done. After grilling, let the pork steak sit on the chopping board or plate for 5 to 10 minutes to lock in all the juices before slicing. Here you go guys, your juicy and flavorful pan-grilled pork steak or inihaw na baboy. And you can actually eat this with rice, or if you don't eat rice like me, you can pair it with your favorite side dishes or vegetables. Happy eating guys! Hope to see you in my next video.